came in today. It's our new Dynamics lighting. It's for the Bluetooth controller for the iPhone. This is how it looks like. Oh man, wow.
Oh wow.
There's some zip ties, all the wirings. And ooh, what's this Ziploc right here?
The roll of lights.
Let me see.
Oh, I don't know how to install this.
Oh no. Oh, this is interesting. Cool.
Yeah.
This will go underneath our Bronco. So here's our multicolor LED lights. And right now we are just testing to see how it is. Oh wow, that's pretty bright. So this will go underneath our Bronco. And then we get to control, and then we also have it in a Bluetooth setting.
So now we're just gonna connect the one that goes to the trigger switch. So this part of the pigtail is from Dynamics. So basically you just put red to red, black to black, and then this goes to the Bluetooth device from Dynamics that will connect here. This one connect to the trigger switch, and then this toggles things here. This 4 goes to the actual LED strip lights.
Testing out our new dynamic, what's this, undercarriage lights?
Yeah, the strips.
The strips. She is now just hooking everything up. So these are the lights right here, RGBW LED strip lights. And she is now working on the wiring right now. So she connected the lights from our trigger 6 switches. And we are testing it out right now. Oh, cool. Man, look how long this is too.
Yeah.
It's pretty bright. This is what we have so far. You want to plug it in and give it a good demo. So it's already connected to the trigger 6 switches. Whoa.
And then we're
planning on putting it right there.
And then we'll just run it really straight.
Yep. They're now starting to remove the tape.
The tape.
There you go. It's that 3M tape. And we are now going to apply it in the body. We are now applying it here in the side of the chassis. We just finished sticking it on our chassis. Moment of truth. Oh, cool. Looks like Vegas down here. Excess piece that we cut. Oh, so it like the light stops like right here then. We're now here in the driver's side. Yep. The driver's side is a little bit different because it looks like there are thicker wirings here.
Yeah, it has this wiring. I'm sure this is the everything that goes in the tail.
Yeah. So we're just going to put it in a lower setting
right here.
Yep. And we are now going to apply it. We just finished putting the LED light here, and let's turn it on and see how it's like. Finish connecting it, and let's she is now getting ready to turn it on. Oh, okay. Wow.
Turn on the other side.
This is nice. Las Vegas down here. Cool. Oh, even the other side is lighted up too. Turn this off. Oh, watch out. Oh, nice. Right, so we found a solution to put the lights in the front, since there's no way we could put the lights down here or anywhere here. So we are just going to put it right there inside our front bumper. So we are now fishing the wires in through there. And this is actually the most difficult part, is trying to fish it down through our fenders. And for some reason, the other side is a lot easier than the driver's side, huh?
Yeah.
So we're just still fishing it and connecting it. Finish putting in the wires. This is where we put the front. And then the side. We actually still have one more wire to put, but we're still debating where to put it in the rear. So this is how it is so far. All 3 lights. It comes with 4. Yeah, we're still debating where to put the last one. We're thinking about it in the back. Plus, it's getting late already, so this is it so far. She just finished connecting all the wires and zip tying them nice and neatly. This is how it looks with all of our dynamic lights. Oh, watch out. The grill is lighted up. That is badass. Oh, cool. Look at that. Sweet. We are parked outside in the dark. So this is 3 lights right here. Next we'll probably put it in the rear, but this is how it looks like. It looks cool, huh? Let's turn on the other dynamics, please. There you go. Look at that. That's so cool. Now we just gotta focus now on the rear. Oh, look at that. Alright, so we're back here at PF Chang's and we got ourselves some ribs. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. So we got the Chang's spicy chicken, we got the orange chicken, brown rice, and some Singaporean noodles. Alright, let's do this. Oh, it's like Christmas here.
RGB strips?
Yup, those strips.